Hi, it's Sam and Rev aboard the Here's to Us. We are getting ready to leave Detour Village in Michigan, and we're going to go southbound out of here and then turn westbound and head over to the Les Chenaux Islands, and specifically we're going to anchor today. So it's the first time we've anchored in a while, so we kind of went through a little bit of drill this morning, and it's a distance of 24 miles, and there's not sun out there. It's a little windy, but not too windy, and I'm thinking once we get into the anchorage, it's going to be nice there. So we'll see how it goes.
You're about 3 feet away now from the side, Sam. Not even an issue. The wind is really pushing us toward the dock, so Sam was heavy on the thrusters to get us off of there. If he was unable to do that, I was just going to push us off of these posts right here. But you're looking good, Sam. Straight back. A lot of people have already left this morning from Detour Village Harbor. So it's kind of a ghost town now. All right, you're great clearing the front. Very nice. Docks over there, but you got plenty of room to turn. Good. We don't need fuel quite just yet, but Detour Village has kind of become our home. We've been here so many times. Beautiful, Sam. Really nice to have thrusters. Thrusters are there as a tool, you know. Some people are against them. Well, don't have them on your boat. But if you do have a boat with a bow thruster, that is very helpful. With the 50-foot boat, it's in a lot of surface wind area on the sides of our boat. It's just really, really helpful to have to fight the wind as we need to. Looking good. Sam does practice every now and then without the thrusters, you know, to keep his skills up. That's a good thing. Do you see this red and green here? We're gonna have to make quite a left turn here to get through those. Sailboat is going, they just left the marina, so they're going away from us. They're not going to be an issue. Right around the rocks over there, I can see more rocks down there, so definitely we're gonna steer clear and get right through the red and the green out there. There's a ferry that goes back and forth between Detour Village right there and across to Drummond Island. I mean, constantly. Sam set the ferry as a target to help watch, you know, just to let us know. So he's going to hear some beeping up in the bridge there because the ferry's leaving Drummond Island now and headed back over here. So once you set the target, it's going to alert you that, hey, better watch it, something's coming. We definitely will give him the right of way because he's a commercial business, taking care of business. So we're going to say goodbye over here to Detour Village. And I've got some fenders to bring up, so I got to do my chores. We're just now turning by the Detour Reef Lighthouse. It's beautiful. Got an American flag flying on the top.
So we are en route to the Les Chenaux Islands and keeping an eye out for fishing nets, and there you can see one with a flag on it, and then the line over to another buoy, and that's a fishing net. So
good eye.
Keep a sharp eye out, because you don't want to run over one of those. It'll ruin your day and it'll ruin their day as well. We are en route to the Les Chenaux Islands for an anchorage, and pretty cool as we come up here. We see a ship out here. It is the let's see, A.G. Munson. It's a cargo ship, and its destination is Port Dolomite, which is over here on our starboard side. And she's just lying there kind of still, maybe anchored, I don't know, but there's another ship up there, and that one is obviously loading. And the way I look at it, there's only space for one of those big 750, 775 foot freighters in there. So one is loading up dolomite, which is an ore. So pretty fascinating to see as one freighter is loading up and another one's waiting to go in and get another load of dolomite.
This looks a lot like Canada when we were there the summer of 2019. This is called what?
Les Chenaux Islands.
Yeah.
The Snow Islands, they call it. Like snow islands, but French.
There is a break in the islands up ahead, and that's where we're going in to find our anchorage. Now the anchorage is called Government Bay.
And we will be going to the northern Government Bay. It looks like it's at least about 2 miles long, and it is on the island, or just on the east side of the LaSalle Island.
The anchorage is 2 miles long.
Yeah,
that's pretty long.
It's like pretty big anchorage up there. And so for our winds today, the best place to anchor will be the north side, and that is also the preferred side for the weekends. Unless you're a partier, and then you go to the south side of Government Bay, is what I'm told.
I know what happened to us. We got old, I guess.
Yeah. We like the peace and quiet these days.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
So Sam is getting us closer to the anchorage, and we're between these two islands here. It looks like there's a sailboat anchored there with a dock, another sailboat there, and I'm counting about 2 power boats and 2 sailboats so far around the corner there where we're going. People have their dinghies beached and are in the water swimming there. So I spotted another boat in this particular anchorage, so we'll be headed there soon. Look, we got a rogue wave. Tsunami style. Well, not exactly, but we did get anchored. And tell us, Sam, what did you think about the experience?
Oh, I thought it went really well for our first anchor on this loop.
Yeah, it's been a very long time since we have anchored.
Yeah. So we got winds coming out of the north, northeast, and that's kind of the way we're pointing. You see our anchor buoy / trip line is out there. We kind of rigged that. And,
what does that do?
So it's telling me exactly where the anchor is, and it also has a function that in case the anchor gets caught, we can kind of sneak up on that ball and then pull on a different angle and get the anchor out. Just another way to do it, but I kind of like knowing where the anchor is out there. And we're in 9 feet of water, and I think we have about 70 feet of road out there based on what red, white, and blue, right?
Mm-hmm.
Blue is kind of in the water there, so that's about right for the scope. And we are set. It's chilly. I don't know. We're not going to need the air conditioner, I don't think. We may need the heater out here.
Oh, well, I don't know about that, but it is cool, that's for sure.
It is peaceful out here. There's a little bit more boats out here than I thought there would be. That boat up there is obviously docked. Somebody has a big boat out there, and then we have a trawler behind us over there. And so we're just going to set the anchor alarm here and make sure that we are not drifting. So we're getting pushed around by the wind a little bit, but we have our snubber on there, and looks like we're holding.
So thanks for coming along with us
on this short trip from Detour Village, 24 miles into the Les Chenaux Islands area in Government Bay North. See you next time on the Here's to Us.